The first thing I like to teach about solid modeling is the box command. But before we get to the box command, let's change the what's it called, workspace from the 2D annotation that we've been using up to this point, and drop it down and change it to 3D modeling. I don't suggest 3D basics. Go to 3D modeling. There's also a little icon on the status bar where you can change to 3D modeling also. As always, turn off everything except polar, set for 45, and object snap, set for the 5. Box icon is the first thing you see on the far left of the ribbon with 3D modeling workspace. Simply click on it, pick a point. For the 1x1x1 cube, you can simply launch the cube option. Hold the cursor straight in the X direction and define the size of the cube you want. To get the warm and fuzzy, click on orbit, or I prefer free orbit because of this gerbil wheel. And you can rotate the wheel as if your object is inside the clear gerbil wheel and the wheel is floating in your bathtub. Hit escape to get out of 3D free orbit. Let's click another box, pick a point to begin with. Let's say the type length we want in the X direction would be 2, enter. The width by default is the Y direction. Let's type 1, enter. All that's left is the height. Go to 3, enter. Let's go back again to 3D orbit or free orbit. And there's our 2 boxes we built. Kind of like they're glass boxes until we learn visual styles. So once you've got, hit escape to lose the gerbil wheel. Once you got the 2 basic boxes, use them to stack up and make copies and build things with. Use the old copy command we learned in introductory class. Select an object, and by using the object snaps, you can quickly stack up all the many boxes all at once. Click copy again, select them all. Click copy again, maybe P for previous. And this time stack it up a little higher. And let's do a 3D orbit for this simple little porch steps here. Okay. Let's replicate this box with the copy command. This is getting a little close here. There's the next step. And maybe for the final step, we'll copy this entire row on the bottom of the porch step. Anticipate, snap to an endpoint, and use another endpoint for the second point of the displacement. So there's our simple stair steps. And escape to get out of free orbit or 3D orbit. Next thing I want to teach you about is the visual styles. 2D wireframes, the default economical. Drop it down, change it to conceptual, and there you got some shading based on the color of your layer. I'm on layer 0, of course. You can still rotate and view it around. Hit escape when you're done. Change the visual style to say hidden. Now it's like it's spray painted white, and you can still rotate it around. Hit escape. Another one that's kind of neat is X-ray, where you can sort of see through it, but it's not perfectly transparent. So you get a better view of the rear as well as the front. That's about it for this 5-minute video. Catch you later. Bye.